Would you like to go next, Donald? In your case, you have built from ground up everything that you needed. Why was that? Why wouldn't you just use something off the shelf or open source?
You know, our strategy was really threefold. One was to have the technology IP and have that as an asset within the company. So that was one of the reasons for the build decision. The other was having more control over the change. You know, as new integrations come up, being able to quickly change what we needed to within the platform, as opposed to waiting on a third party if we were to buy the software to put that into their product. We're a small, smaller company. We don't obviously have as much leverage with MuleSoft or Dell Boomi that others might have. And so it was important to us to have control over being able to make changes to our integration platform. And then the third thing was to, as I mentioned earlier, have a scalable, repeatable process that was more configuration based. So we could hand it to an implementation team, a non-technical person, if you will, to Manish's comment earlier, and enable them to drag and drop, similar to what the Dell Boomis of the world do, but be able to map, with the user interface as opposed to having to develop. Right. So those were the three reasons that that we went down a build path. The first two being the primary, but making it a tool that could be used internally by a non-technical person to deploy the integrations as well. So that was really our process around why we chose the build path. I've used the other products before, and we don't have a large development team, which is why I plug for you guys why we partnered with Harbinger as an extension of our organization, really, to be honest. And so that's been fabulous for us. We do have development and technical folks on our integrations team, and so they're able to provide functional specs and requirements and those types of things, and then work with you as our partner to get that build done.
Got it. Yes. I would also think it may have something to do with the fact that you are focused on a very clear vertical niche, right? Which is the employee background investigations. And unlike Ravi's mandate, which is to horizontally support all manner of, integrations between various things. So I guess the starting point could be partly governed by that.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I mean, we integrate with applicant tracking systems and core HR systems.
Right.
And so now we'll take our platform though and extend it over time, because we work with a number of vendors that help us deliver our services. And so we want to extend the platform to be able to integrate with them as well.